So today is our new videos and like to subscribe if you want to get the motorcycle. So get get everything you want the PS4 and go in the free driving, go in the parking and just wait. Just really wait. Yeah. Loading, loading. And now you're in the car and okay, follow the steps, okay? Do everything that I say, okay? If you got me the feeling, okay? And you need to sit down and don't scared that yourself. Ah! This is the good side over here. This really restart. I'm really start. I mean stuck. Yeah, need to wait again. Okay, now it's okay We we don't have much time. Starting E. Okay, five. Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe okay. Okay, there we go now. Let's get off the car. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Maybe I'm on the. Oh, yes. Turn right. Then you can see the gift. Okay. Here, you can see now. Then the screen will be on there. See? Okay. Next step. See? One and one of this. Smaller step. Turn issue everything smaller. Okay, goodbye guys. Goodbye. It's not yellow. Okay, not yellow. Okay.